Starting with a childhood friendship, Jason and Philippe started one of the UK's fastest growing companies within the food industry. Dawsongroup empowers the business to grow with minimal financial risk, allowing for day-to-day flexibility in strategic decisions.
Philippe initially contacted Dawsongroup Temperature Control Solutions with a requirement for a blast freezer. After a few months, Philippe's business had grown somewhat, and he was also looking for a wide-span facility. At this point, I met with Philippe to understand exactly what it was he was trying to achieve.
We were looking for a 3-month installation turnaround to give us a 12-month 50% increase of our chilled dispatch facility, with flexibility to turn into a bulk frozen storage following moving into a new factory premises. Our main issues were around our picking and packing area. We hit capacity in our previous cold room and still had more customers wanting to come on board. Within our high care production facility, we were able to increase our capacity by bringing on another shift, but we quickly ran out of space to pick, pack and distribute from.
When I first met with Philippe, we realised very quickly that there was only one position we could place a cold storage facility. That was at the side of his building, but it needed linking into his existing cold store. By using what we call a wide span, we were able to link 5 of our 39 pallet units together to form a large, open, free-flowing space to give him the capacity that he was looking for. This allowed us to really maximise the space available whilst ensuring that we left a fire escape route to one side. We then incorporated a blast freezer, a sliding door for inbound product, and a van loading dock for end-of-day dispatch.
We have achieved our initial aims and objectives. We have taken on an extra 20% business, and we have further capacity within the area. It has also helped us with our longer term objectives of moving facilities within the next 12 months. There was clear communication all the way through the process. We had multiple points of contact with one project leader. Once the specification was agreed and signed, the project ran smoothly from start to finish. We use the units day and night to pick, pack and distribute from. The 24/7 support line from Dawson's gives us the peace of mind that we're able to achieve this.
RollWrap has grown output by 20% in a matter of weeks with minimal investment, utilising our scalable modular solutions, earning revenue from day one, cash flow positive. Find out how you too can grow your business with minimal risk.